Hello? He just comes back for more, look at him. He's so cute.
It actually ran to you, bro.
Yeah. Oh, you're kidding me. He's so tiny, look at him. Is it him? He? It's like the friendliest cat I've ever seen in my life. Ow, ow, ow. He just bit my hand. Look at that.
Look, it's following you.
Alright, calm, let's go. I know you're going to bite me again because I'm stroking you there. You stroke him under his belly. It's here. They tend to scratch you. I don't know why. Bye bye. It's following us now. Paw? Nah, you'll never learn that, would you?
You can't teach a cat tricks, bro.
But it's not like my dog, is he? Hey, look at me. Oh my god, it's so cool. I want him. Oh my god, he probably belongs to someone though.
Obviously.
Yeah. Sick cat. What are you doing, fam? Look at his eyes as well, wow. What you do on the floor again?
It's gonna collapse right in front of you.
And play that. Play that. Play that. Yeah, that's my boy. Oh,
wait,
sorry,
wait for it, wait for it. Wait.
Play dead. Play dead. Play.
You gotta wait for it to walk for a bit.
Is it not gonna go down there?
Cat's hilarious, bro.
No, it's not gonna. Bye, kitty. Bye bye. Do you reckon he'll follow us?
Probably.